how to complete your profile information in Bossjob. Yeah, Bossjob. So here all we need to do is open up our app. Once we open up our app right here, click on menu. Menu. Now after clicking on menu right there, you'll see on the top complete info. Plus on complete info. Then now right here we can upload a resume. So once we click on upload resume, we'll be redirected to our we'll be redirected right here. So once we're redirected there, choose a file and then boom. If you don't have one, you can fill out online by just clicking on the bottom. So here you can put in your highest education, school name, field of study, start education, and that's optional only. Let's say we're gonna be a master. School name, we're gonna put in cool, because we're cool. Field of study, architecture. Study period. We're gonna put in our birthday, 2004. It's gonna be weird. At current. Then next. And after doing that, our next thing will be answering is work experience, if you have any work experience. After putting a work experience, most recent company, most recent job titles and working period, and also achievement, and hide information if you want to. But we can just turn that off so it will be shown also. And then after doing all of that right there, click on submit. And there you go. You have yourself a resume here on Bossjob. So there. I'll be guys, if you enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, type it down question below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on How to Rock It, guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.